Hello and welcome back to another tutorial here on my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful flower granny square with this nice 3D motif. It is made with a 3-color combination, as you can see, and this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3.5mm hook, and we will start our work with the magic ring. We will first grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, and then we will chain 1 and we will loose this loop a bit, twist it so that we have now 2 loops on the hook, and then we will work 1 double crochet by going into this ring, grab the yarn, pull it through, make another loop, and grab the yarn now and pull it through 2 loops, and then grab the yarn again and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. This combination of stitches will count as our first double crochet for this first round. Next we will work a double crochet as we usually work the double crochet, so by yarning over once, going into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, and then grab the yarn and pull it through the first 2 loops, and then grab the yarn and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. And we now have 2 double crochets. Next we will work 2 more double crochets so that we have a set of 4 double crochets. Next we will turn the work and we will work on the back, and on each of these double crochets from below, on top of each of them we will work another double crochet. So we will start with our first, and we will work the same combination of stitches that we have started our work with here, the one that counts as a double crochet. So we will chain 1, we will loose this loop a bit, twist it, and we will go into this first stitch, this one, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, and then complete the double crochet in the same way. Next we will go into the next stitch and work the second double crochet here. Into the next one we will work the third double crochet, and then into this last stitch we will work the last or the 4th double crochet. And then we will turn the work and we are back on the front side of the work, and we will chain 2, and this will be our repeat for this first round. So let's do this together a few more times. So now we will go and work into this ring 4 double crochets, one, 2, 3, 4, and then we will turn the work, and we are now on the back side of our work, and we will chain 1 and work the combination of stitches that counts as a double crochet. And next we will work the second double crochet into the second stitch, then the third one here, and we will end with the last one, the fourth one. And we will turn the work back to the front side of the work, and then we will chain 2. And this completes our second repeat for this first round. So 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn the work, chain 1, loose the yarn and work the first double crochet, and work then the remaining 3 ones. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 here, and turn the work now again, and we are back on the front side of the work, and chain 2. And this completes our third repeat. And we will continue to work with this repeat for 5 more times, so that in total we have 8 repeats of these, so 8 petals, and we will meet after we complete them. I have now completed all my 8 repeats, and I have now all my 8 petals of the flower. I have also chained these 2 at the end here, and now we can close the ring by pulling the yarn. And we will join the work, and we will do it in this way. We will slip the hook, and we will go from the back of the work into this, on top of this first stitch that we have made, this first combination of stitches that counts as a double crochet, and we will go on top of it here from the back of the work, and we will slip stitch this last stitch, chain 1 to secure the work, and we can now cut the yarn. And our flower is completed. And next we will work on our second round, where we will start the square shape. So with our second color, we will first make a slip knot. And we can start from any of these chain 2 spaces on the back of these petals. And we will start by working 1 double crochet, and for this we will yarn over, and we will place the finger like this in order to keep both loops on the hook. We will go into this space, wrap the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, and then complete the double crochet as we normally do. And we will work next 2 more double crochets in this same space, so that we have a set of 3 double crochets. Next we will chain 2, 1, 2, and in this same space we will work 3 more double crochets. I will also carry this end of yarn in the back of the work in order to hide it. And we have completed 2 sets of 3 double crochets, and between them 2 chain, and this completes the first corner of our future square. Next we will go into the next chain 2 space, and here we will work a set of 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this will be our repeat for this second round. So for the side of the square we will work a set of 4 double crochets. Let's do this together one more time. So we will go into the next chain 2 space, and here we will work a set of 3 double crochets first, chain 2, and the second set of 3 double crochets in this same chain 2 space. And we have now completed our second corner of the square. Next, we will go into the next chain 2 space and work the second side of the square by completing 4 double crochets in the same space. And we have now completed 2 repeats of our group repeat of this round. We will continue to work 2 more of these so that we complete the square shape, and we will meet at the end of the round. I am now at the end of the second round, and we will slip the hook, and for joining in the round we will go into the second stitch, this one. This is the first one, this is the second one, from the back of the work, and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn now and join the next one for our next round. With our third color we will start by working a slip knot, and we will start round 3. We can start from any of these corner spaces or chain 2 spaces. We have 4 of them, and we will start by working 2 double crochets first, 1, 2, chain 2, and into the same corner space we will work a second set of 2 double crochets. And this completes our repeat for the corner. Next we will go into the next stitch and work 1 double crochet. So we have here the 3 double crochets from below, and on top of each of them we will work another double crochet. So we will work 3 double crochets in total here. So 1, 2, 3. Next, we will work 4 more double crochets on top of the 4 double crochets from below. So we have here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and next we will work the last 3 on top of the last set of 3 double crochets from below. 8, 9, and 10. And this completes our repeat. So for the corner group we have 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and for the sides we will work 10 double crochets in total. We will work with this repeat for 3 more times for each of the 3 remaining corners and 3 sides, and we will meet after we complete them. I am now at the end of round 3, and we will join it in this way. We will go and slip stitch into the second stitch. This is the first one, this is the second one, and we have now completed round 3, and we will start round 4, our last round. Here we will chain 1, and into the same stitch we will work 1 single crochet, and we will go into the next chain 2 space or corner space and work 1 single crochet, chain 1, and 1 more single crochet here into the same space. Next we will work for the second side until we get here at the last stitch. Since we have started on this first side with 1 stitch here, we will complete the repeat by working all the stitches until the last one. So we will continue to work into the next stitch here, 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And this will be our repeat for this last round. So from here we will continue to work in the same way as we have started this round by working 1 single crochet here into the last stitch, and then continue with the group repeat for the corner, which is 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet. We will work with this repeat for the remaining 3 corners and the 3 other sides in the same way, and we will meet at the end of the round. I am now at the end of this last round, and before joining in the round we will cut the yarn and we will join it in this way. We will go with our hook from the back of the work into the second stitch. This is the first one, this is the second one. Grab this yarn and pull it through. And again we will go from the back of the work through the back loop only of this last stitch. And again grab the yarn and pull it through. This way we have this nice and even edge for our square. And this is our final project. This is our final flower granny square. The flower has this nice 3D motif, as you can see. And this is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!